Welcome to this ZBrush Anatomy, complete guide to creating realistic anatomy inside of ZBrush. This comprehensive course will teach you the main anatomical points in order to improve your digital sculpting in ZBrush. We start very gradually and will over the course build upon the things you've learnt previously, getting more and more complex. This enables you to grow and achieve your results faster. I have specifically designed this course to get you where you need to be quicker and provide reference and assets throughout. Remember also, this is a growing evergreen course, so new content will be added at no extra cost over the whole of 2020. I've also included a community page and a Facebook group so I can critique your work and others can help as well. I also show common beginner mistakes, and we will extensively work on training your eye to work from reference images. Even if you're not into character design, this course will make you a better artist. Loads of next generation techniques as well as other artist approaches are demonstrated in great detail during this course.